Looking for wall decor ideas to refresh your space? Those empty walls are filled with possibilities, and a few additions can make a house feel like a home. If you're ready to turn those stark bare walls into stylish centerpieces. No matter your style, we've got the tricks that can amp up your walls and bring out your personality and taste. So here are the 13 tips to bring your boring wall to the life. Number 1. Go for large-scale art. An oversized painting or photograph will command attention and set the tone in a small space. Try a black and white photo in a minimalist space or add color with a vibrant abstract piece. When you go big, the details will be tangible and the mood will fill the room. Bold or earth tones, landscapes or portraits, you can't go wrong with a large photograph framed to perfection.
Nice.
Number 2. Curate a gallery wall. No house is complete without gallery wall ideas nowadays, whether that's in the bedroom, living room, hallway or every single room. One of the most game-changing wall decor ideas around, displaying artwork, photographs, and prints together in unison is the perfect way to add interest to a bland or basic-looking space. If you have a collection of much-loved art, family photos or favorite postcards, grouping them together in a gallery wall creates an authentic and bespoke display. Number 3. Hung up mirrors. Mirrors are an essential decor item in any home, no matter your style, as their designs and functions run the gamut. Some mirrors are purely for checking your appearance while others are used strategically to manipulate light, serve as an organizational piece, or make a room look larger. Round mirrors are definitely on the upswing. These circles are calming, eye-pleasing shapes, but they can also balance out a composition full of other geometric elements. Mirrors reflect light, helping a small space to feel bigger and brighter. Try hanging an oversized mirror. Number 4. Go greener. If you consider yourself to be a plant mom, you likely have a few succulents or florals in your home. And if you're looking for new and creative ways to transform your small or large garden into the oasis of your dreams, there are an array of vertical garden ideas that'll showcase your plant's beautiful colors and textures. Plants don't just have to sit on the windowsill. Try hanging or wall-mounted planters to add a bit of greenery to your space and nature to your walls. Number 5. Put rugs on the walls. We love a good rug, especially one with an abstract design. And while they're great on the floor, they can also do admirable good as wall decor. Filling your vertical space with texture, color and warmth, rugs are the perfect 3-in-1 design solution for any blank wall in need of a boost. Go big and bold or small, just make sure you hang them properly. Rugs and beds go together like peanut butter and jelly, due to their shared utility of increasing the comfort level of whatever room they're in. Basically, the more soft, warm materials in the bedroom, the better. Number 6. Install all the shelving. Living room shelving ideas are a brilliant way of working more storage into a key space where it's often lacking. Living rooms are where we want to wind down and relax, but it can be hard to switch off if we're faced with cramped shelves and cluttered surfaces. Instead, turn them to your wall shelves. Fill a narrow spot in a small living room with a neat run of cubbyhole shelving. Painting it to match the wall color will help it blend in and make the space feel bigger. Number 7. Try wallpaper. There's no better way to spice up a room in less than a few hours than temporary wallpaper. A mix of patterns and colors against a graphic but very neutral wallpaper can instantly make a room pop. Look at the colors and tones of the furniture, light fixtures, floors and rugs. Also, think about the function of the room the wallpaper will be going into. You don't always have to match the trim and ceiling, but it can add an extra dimension to the overall look and feel. Number 8. Hand paint mural. If the thought of smoothing out air bubbles from wallpaper makes you cringe, paint a wall mural. Whether abstract or pictorial, murals are equally as gorgeous as any wallpaper and will give you plenty of creative freedom to decide what colors and shapes you want on your walls. A painted wall mural can give you the bold look of wallpaper without the high price tag, and you don't need to be a professional artist to create one. It's an easy way to transform your space without spending a lot of money or committing to a long-term look. Number 9. Consider a wall sconce. Wall sconces are a fashionable way to brighten up a light-deprived area of your home. Sconces can be used for so many purposes in both indoor and outdoor lighting designs. Sconces and swing-arm wall lamps are an ideal way to add layers of ambient light to many rooms throughout a home, such as hallways and entryways. They are also versatile enough to serve as task lights in some placements. Sconces make great hallway light fixtures, because they can be evenly placed in long and short hallway spaces to keep even illumination as you move through your home. Number 10. Go for wall accent. An accent wall is an interior or exterior wall that can have a different color, shade, design or material from the other walls around it. An accent wall should be the first thing you see when you enter a room. Depending on the layout of your room, it could be the largest wall, or perhaps the wall above the fireplace. Make sure the wall you select as your accent wall is free from light fittings and other distractions. The simplest accent wall is one decorated with a different color or some decorative wallpaper. This works well in any home, whether it is a contemporary or period property. Use your main color as a starting point. Number 11. Add some floating shelves. Consider installing floating shelves. They are built so that no supports are visible, creating the illusion that they are floating in the air. Easy to install, you will find floating shelves very useful for walls. Floating shelves are perfect for creating wall collages. You can place plants, photos, or any kind of knickknacks on top of them. Another benefit of floating shelves is they help you use dead space throughout your home. Remember, because all of the mounting equipment is behind the shelf, you can fit floating shelves into tight spaces. Number 12. Contrasting colors never fail. Before choosing a specific color, make a note of the color of all the permanent features of the room you are painting. For example, the color of the flooring, countertops and any furniture that will remain, such as couches and tables. The new contrasting paint colors don't have to match the existing items but shouldn't clash with them either. For example, bright purple may not look so good on the wall in a room with red cherry wood flooring. Remove any colors from consideration that won't look good with other items and features of the room. Number 13. Use wall molding. The wall molding utilized a flat, angular molding to create a chair rail that perfectly accentuates the minimal aesthetic. This choice provides a break in the taupe-colored accent wall, adding a subtle touch of personality. This type of molding enhances the look of the baseboards and trim along the windows. Each piece adds energy to the room without pulling focus or overwhelming the design. Wall moldings provide a combination of functionality and elegance. They can effectively conceal cracks, gaps, and other surface imperfections, an inevitable aspect of any building. Apart from that, it is used to decorate the surface and create a dramatic design statement. Wall molding designs are a low-cost solution to transform a room's aesthetic. We came to end. If you are still watching us, thank you so much.